morning, everybody. It is Sunday, April 1st, and that means it is Easter and April Fool's Day. Right now it is 7:46. I didn't go to bed until late last night, so I'm tired, but it's okay. I wanted to film a get ready with me for this Easter / April Fool's Sunday. The sun's kind of weird right now. If I open the blinds, then I have like lines all over me, so the lighting's like okay, but it may like fluctuate throughout this, so just be aware of that. I'm wearing a Minnie Mouse shirt that I got at Disney, and it's making me really want to go back to Disney. But I should really start to get ready, or I'm not gonna be ready in time. Headband. Check. First thing that I put on, Clean and Clear Acne Control Moisturizer, but you already knew that. No, really, I feel like it's in every video. Okay, I'm pretty much winging it today. I have no makeup plan or hair plan. I'm just kind of doing something. I wish I had something special planned, but I'm just seeing what happens. First makeup product I am using is the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline, and I'm just putting this under my eyes. This is in the like brightening color. I didn't actually get like a actual color. I also like to put it down my nose and on my chin. Now we gotta blend it out because we don't want to be looking weird. Now I'm going to take the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Concealer by Rimmel London. I was like so stressed last week and I had so many breakouts and they're all like trying to like go away. It was so frustrating. Blending. Okay, so I had Reese's Puffs for the first time today. My mom, she found like bunny ones, and of course like she had to get them. I love peanut butter. I love Reese's, but I've never had Reese's Puffs, which I find kind of weird. But I had the cereal. Actually, I'm eating it right now, and it was very good. I think we're good. Also, I'm definitely kind of whispering because it's like early in the morning, so yeah. Now, after getting this Airspun loose face powder, I've actually been baking my face. So we're gonna do that. Let's bake it like on my cake. I'm basically just putting it everywhere that I put that Age Rewind stuff. Now, eyebrows, can't forget those. For my eyebrows, I use Maybelline New York Eye Studio, the gel eyeliner, and I think it's like Blackest Black, yeah. I don't normally use my Naked 3 palette, but there's kind of like pastel-y pink colors, so I thought I'd try and use it today. See what happens. First, I think it's called Strange, and that's gonna be my base. What do I want to do? Let's take this one. It's called Limits. This is going to be going on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna keep experimenting and take a little bit of Buzz and put that on the outer corner. I don't know how much you can tell, but it's quite pink. Now I'm gonna take some of Liar and putting that like even more on the outer corner. Now let's just use some of Factory and lightly put that on the outer corner as well. I'm even gonna add a little bit of black heart on the very, 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 very outside. Now let's get this bake off of here. Like already kind of came off, but it's okay. Just kind of brush that away. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Contour Palette and start contouring. Just a little bit, not too much. For my cheeks, I'm going to be using the Milani blush in Blossom Time Rose. Now a little bit of highlight from that Master Contour Palette. I think all I have left to do is mascara, and I gotta try not to get mascara on my eyelids. That'd be nice too. I always somehow get it on my eyelids. Oh yeah, the first thing I'm using is the Bombshell Volume by Lash Blast. It is, I think, CoverGirl. I'm using side number 1. Okay, I wanted stuff on my brow bone, so I forgot about that, but on my Naked 2 palette, I'm just using Booty Call, and I'm just gonna highlight up here. Curling these lashes. I can't even see, so ow! Of course I can't see. I should probably use a mirror. I mean, that'd be like the smart thing to do, so. Okay. Now I'm also going to go in with, shoot. It's my mascara that is totally rubbed off. I think it's by CoverGirl, but I'll have the title and the video like I did last time, because I don't remember the name. Now I'm just gonna let that dry a bit and then I'll curl them again. So besides that, it's just lips, and I'm gonna do that after my hair. Oh, ow. Okay. So now is hair time, and I'm gonna curl some of my hair. I feel like I don't have enough time to curl all my hair, so if you ever get to the point where you don't have enough time to curl all your hair, just do like a half up, half down, and it works wonders. It honestly takes so much time off of your time curling your hair because you have a whole section that you really don't need curled. Okay, so I got a mirror set up, and I just put my hair half up. Just took half of it and put it in a little bun. And I'm just gonna pin this bun down a bit because it seems like it's a little weird looking. Now onto curling. I'm gonna separate these two sections so it's just easier. So for Easter / April Fool's Day, I guess, the first thing I have to do is church, and that is at 9 a.m. Then after that, my mom actually hosts Easter. So we're going to have our family over, and we're gonna have dinner, or I guess lunch. We're probably just gonna hang out as a family, and we have an Easter egg hunt that we normally do, but it's kind of supposed to snow. So I guess we'll just have to find out. I do love me some candy, so Easter is like very dangerous for me. My awesome parents usually get me like a little Easter basket, which is just always really sweet. Like, they don't have to. I literally missed all of this. It's okay. Okay, this side is done. Ignore this. I know you can't ignore it, but... I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then get dressed, put some lipstick on, and hopefully show you guys my outfit. Okay, so chapstick. Boom. Then I'm going to be using my Milani lip liner in the color Spice. I really need to sharpen this, it's kind of hurting. Okay, and I haven't used this in a while, but this is the Mega Last liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Rebel Rose. It's just kind of like a pinky nude color, so I thought it'd be pretty good with this liner. I have decided I'm going to show you my outfit when I get back from church, so I will see you then. So now it is bright outside, finally. So like I was saying, in Indiana, it is very cold today. We're supposedly supposed to get snow. So my outfit today is very fall-y, like I should be wearing it in fall, but oh well. Okay, so I said that my parents gave me an Easter basket, so I just want to do a little Easter basket haul. Here's the little cute basket. Like seriously, it is super cute. So like 5-leaf clovers, is that even a thing? I don't know. Got a little Bath and Body Works card. Peeps that we already opened because I love Peeps and I'm very hungry. And last but not least, this chocolate egg. It's basically this egg with other pieces of chocolate in it. So basically like amazingness. Thank you, parents. So I hope you enjoyed my get ready with me for this Easter April Fool's Sunday. So this won't be going up on Easter, but I do want to say I hope you guys had a great Easter or a great April Fool's Day, or if you didn't celebrate those, I just hope you had a great Sunday in general. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I hope you have a beautiful night or day, whatever it is, and I will catch you later.